Wouldn't it have been incredible to invest in Google's AdWord market back in 2002, becoming a part of the growth journey that altered how people advertise and access data worldwide? Presently, global search ads are valued near $300 billion, with 70% accounted for by Google alone. And every click brings more money into the company. Analysts forecast that revenues will reach almost $500 billion within 5 years in this market. That's almost twice what they are now. Unfortunately, that opportunity has long since passed. BlockCerts pay-per-authentication provides the answer to rid online transactions of fraud, information overload, and hacking risks. By leveraging this revolutionary authentication model, much like what AdWords did for marketing, BlockCerts will fundamentally reform how digital information is secured on the web. The current projection is that cybersecurity hacks alone will cost an alarming $10 trillion in losses yearly. However, with BlockCerts' innovative solutions, this number could be drastically reduced or even entirely eliminated. The BCERT token is pioneering the future of the internet, transforming web and cloud computing with its decentralized approach to software SaaS companies. By conferring secure digital certificates that can be employed for a plethora of web applications, these tokens are revolutionizing innovation and ownership. Leveraging blockchain-based technology ensures their data remains immutable while securely storing and transferring it across multiple networks. This pioneering concept is poised to transform how we access and use the web, granting users heightened security and allowing for more rapid exchange of data controlled by users. By introducing BlockCerts Web 4.0 BCERT tokens, this technology ushers in an unprecedented era of trust online. Just as Google revolutionized advertising models and changed the market, just as Bitcoin and Ethereum introduced a brand new form of money and speculation, BlockCerts POAW, or Proof of Authenticated Work, is creating yet another new marketplace, an era where authentication meets decentralization. This transaction-based model paves the way for this novel web to become accessible to everyone. Ink is a cutting-edge solution behind the BlockCerts BCERT token that has remedied Ethereum Gas's lack of business utility. Rather than exorbitant gas fees, Ink provides users with an economical software fee and POAW rewards similar to mining Ethereum, but only based on work done each day by genuine customers with cloud software. This opens the door for tremendous growth prospects while maintaining BlockCerts blockchain as a net zero environmental impact blockchain. It's time to step into the future and embrace blockchain technology, which is predicted to reach a staggering market cap of up to $1.5 trillion within 5 years. Leave behind traditional crypto coins that utilize blockchain solely as investment tokens. Jump into the BCERT tokens with true purpose backed by sophisticated blockchain and AI technology. Welcome to the new Web 4.0 technology, a revolutionary, decentralized, and authenticated web with infinite possibilities and trustless transparency. By merging utility and technology together on the blockchain, BCERT tokens transform into a precious resource that constructs businesses and can be traded. It's like having two worlds in one: the performance of software companies combined with the decentralization and trading capabilities of cryptocurrency. With the launch of BCERT tokens and Ink cost units, For as low as 5 cents per transaction, BlockCerts has unlocked a powerful opportunity to instill trust-complete Web 4.0 platform. Just like search engines such as Google and Facebook have continued to monetize ads over the years that bring in up to 90% of their respective revenues today, authentication is now set to be a core focus behind BlockCerts, BCERT Tokens, and Web 4.0. This technology will revolutionize how we interact on future web products by boosting security levels beyond what was ever previously possible before and handing control over to users. Today, businesses investing in proof of authentication is just as wise a decision was when AdWords first took off 2 decades ago. Our post-COVID environment has seen an exponential increase in digital and hybrid work models, with upwards of 80% of companies predicted to completely transition into those systems within the next few years. Additionally, more than half of all employees are currently expressing desires for permanent remote employment opportunities. Buying into BCERT proof of authentication tokens will be the ticket to success tomorrow. According to the last projections, 14 billion people are now using SaaS platforms. This means that BlockCert's revenue model has an enormous total addressable market, or TAM, T-A-M, of $255.5 billion a year at its minimum cost per authentication. This is greater than what AdWords achieved for Google in 20 years. That's how we size the market. Are companies and workers bullish on authentication? The cost is minimal. For a company of 10 employees renewing authentication every 24 hours, the annual expense totals around only $183. That's $15 per month, or less than 5 cents daily for each staff member. Even more remarkable, it's much cheaper than what an office coffee machine would cost. If a company desires to authenticate its 10 employees hourly, every workday, 24 hours per day of operation days, as is the norm with any on-time digital business these days, it will cost them approximately $365 monthly, or roughly $36.50 for each worker. At the same time, BlockCert's full streaming software suite is revolutionizing the pricing model of SaaS software with its blockchain-based token pricing. Just like Google did when it made advertising accessible to any business at pocket change costs, rather than expensive magazine and newspaper ads or costly television commercials, BlockCert's streaming software will make software accessible without costly locked-in license fees. 20 years ago, software as a service, cloud technology seemed brand new. However, it has since grown to a whopping $200 billion industry. Companies like Salesforce and Adobe are the result of this tremendous success alongside Microsoft. On average, companies often spend roughly $780 per month per employee on SaaS cloud software subscriptions, which adds up to an annual cost of over $9,000 or greater for each employee. If a small company with 10 people were to sign up for such services, they would be spending over $90,000 yearly. Or they choose not to invest in the tools they need in order to save money. BlockCerts understood there had to be a more affordable solution than costly SaaS cloud-based platforms without compromising the productivity components. That's why BlockCerts developed streaming software with a transaction fee model based on authentication, which adds valuable revenue streams while avoiding charging license fees altogether. Right now, SaaS businesses store all of a company's data and software in one place, in a silo. If payments are not made, typically through an automated monthly credit card payment, the business is deprived of their customer information, shopping cart details, email, correspondence, or instant message conversation, essentially leaving them locked out and stranded of their own business. However, BlockCerts has come up with a revolutionary plan to streamline these services and provide companies with complete control over their own data and software. By doing this, BlockCerts ensures that no matter what circumstance arises, every single company can access everything they need without any disruption. BCERT and Inc. token packages provide users with the flexibility to pay for only what they use. At the end of each year, they have the option to store and stop or scale up their business at will, all while having full control over their core business. The BCERT token is just as transferable as any cryptocurrency, while always managing to preserve its true utility value. To sum up, businesses can transform their technology cost center into a valuable asset through BCERT tokens. And they can eliminate fixed license fee costs, changing them to a variable usage cost that's similar to electricity. They have the ability to switch on or off whenever necessary. Unlocking the potential of BCERTs can provide businesses with a digital future full of increased capital value and an enhanced financial framework. This cutting-edge technology has numerous advantages for any business that adopts Web 4.0 and for anyone who holds a BCERT token. That's buying in to Web 4.0. By empowering the innovative streaming software market with BCERT tokens on BlockCerts, we're able to unlock additional monetization markets. According to projections from BlockCerts, companies can expect to spend roughly 1/5 of their budget currently spent in SaaS in order to secure a streaming software service model. That grants them full control over all features and functions they need without buying another license. This opens up an entirely new total addressable market for BCERT tokens worth $40 billion at 1/5 of the current SaaS market. Blockchain has undeniably become a must-have for businesses. Out of the top 100 tracked enterprises, 86 have already rolled out their blockchain initiatives. With its PPA model, BlockCerts will be able to assist large organizations, which are often scrutinized and vulnerable to cybersecurity risks like hacking, compliance issues, and regulatory demands, in deploying hybrid work processes seamlessly. For example, at a company of 10,000 employees, if the company implemented the same 24-hour security authentication as the one with 10 workers, it would cost precisely $1.52 for each individual employee per month, an incredibly low price for security of every individual with access to the company's critical systems and information. BlockCerts PPA is like an electronic key card that unlocks digital access points into any business and safeguards valuable records such as customer files, payroll information, and product inventories necessary to ensure security in everyday operations and run smoothly. We're thrilled to announce the launch of domain Cert. For a mere one BCERT token at just $10, it's now the only domain with .hi that verifies human intelligence behind any URL domain. This means even those sophisticated AIs people have been operating we ensure these people are genuine and not cyber criminals using artificial intelligence to perpetrate malicious activities. Scan attention was given to the domain market 2 decades ago either. Today, it's an $8.6 billion industry ripe for BCERT tokens to be converted and utilized in trusted domains. Our distinguished .hi and .trust domains are only awarded after a full authentication process validates any potential owners and actual businesses. Established companies, celebrities, brands, and even our families have all been victim to counterfeits. It's essential they can verify their identities online with privacy. That's why domain-certain BlockCerts was created. Domain-certain domains confirm the authenticity of any individual without disclosing intimate information. In fact, only BlockCerts Blockchain currently offers a service like this worldwide. We are certain that this is an invaluable revenue source. In fact, it's already available on BlockCerts platform via BCERT tokens. Netflix displaced Blockbuster, and videotapes before that disrupted TV. Then Spotify conquered iTunes after it had taken over from Napster, which in turn trumped the major record labels. Now, BlockCerts Blockchain is set to revolutionize business through their innovative Web 4.0 streaming software platform, just like these other disruptors transformed industries before. I'm Tim Vasco. As the BlockCerts founder, I'm deeply honored to journey with you on this adventure toward success in today's next digital era. Together, we will be able to shape this innovative future through owning BCERT tokens and seize control over our collective destiny as we create the next internet. With this video, I aim to give you an understanding of the power that BCERT tokens and BlockCerts provides through blockchain technology and AI. The value potential is immense as it holds true digital functionality on the web, not just a crypto coin based off speculation. With BCERT tokens, you can hold, use, trade, or even watch your token's worth grow exponentially with each adoption of its purpose on the web. Embrace the future of digital innovation with BCERT and gain complete ownership over the next internet. At BlockCerts, the idea is simple. The web belongs to you. It's time for individuals to take back their control and manage their own data. Our mission is to empower you, the new leader of the web. It's time for your authenticated voice to be heard and recognized through BCERT token ownership and the secure data and software that is always accessible to you, verifiable, and tamper-proof. That's why we say at BlockCerts, the web is under new management. You.